Welcome to week 5. We have now concluded 3 weeks of classes, and a day from the first week in the intersession. We are on for the last week of the intersession. Notice the deadlines are at a different day than they have been due to throughout the intersession. This is because this is the end of the intersession and because everything has to be finished by Wednesday, January 29th. Here's what's coming up this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. Please pay particular attention to when activities are available and importantly to the due date for the various activities, assignments, and exams, especially this last week of the intersession. This is a there's a tight deadline. There's a tight deadline to submit grades, so everything has to be done by the deadlines. Otherwise, you risk your missing assignment not counting towards your final grade. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar or Canvas. Here's a summary of what's coming up this week. Math quiz number 5, Oceania, was available Thursday, 1:23, and is due Thursday, January 28 by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 4 was available Thursday, January 23, and is due Tuesday, January 28 by 11:59 p.m. Key concept questions for chapters 9 to 13 available Friday, January 24th, due Wednesday, January 29 by 11:59 p.m. Exam number 3, chapters 9 through 13, available Friday, 1/24, and is due Wednesday, January 29 by 11:59 p.m. I'm grading your assignments as they are posted. It takes a while, but I will try to keep up. I'm making a big push this weekend so I can get caught up. Exam number 3 will cover chapters 9 through 13, chapter 9 food and agriculture, chapters 10 development, chapter 11 industry and energy, and chapter 12 services and settlement, and chapter 13 urban patterns. There are 25 multiple choice questions worth 4 points each for a total of 100 points. We'll have 90 minutes to complete it, and you can take it multiple times until the time that is due. The content for the exam comes from the lectures posted in the modules. Look at the lecture videos and read the respective pages as indicated in the schedule and read the study guide. Remember that in a fully online class, I take attendance by checking whether you have logged in or not. In this very condensed intersession, you must log in on a daily basis. If you are behind with your assignments, you need to complete them within the next 4 days. Remember that you can always submit them, but you will lose points based on how far away you are from the deadline. Have a great weekend. I will see you online for the last week of this action-packed intersession. Best, Samuel Cortez.